The cameras are being used mostly for reaction. But the hard part was real-time video artificial intelligence. No one really knew about ChatGPT. A lot of issues that we initially faced were around evangelization.
When you're trying to affect change, the hardest thing is, how does that fit in to a cohesive, larger vision?
Your ideology.
For those kind of things, you need to reduce your thresholds.
And what are some of the other bets that you've taken early?
It has to be edge AI. Second being bandwidth, because you cannot push this data to the cloud due to multiple reasons.
Time to talk about now with M1.
The entire M1 chip
no Mac has ever done before.
the world's fastest CPU core.
And as soon as the M chip launched in 2020, we took a bet on it. Apple might be our best bet for video AI.
Better start testing this thing now. Turbocharging the hype is Anthropic's latest model called Mythos.
Model is not the product. Model is just the intelligence layer on top of the product. I feel robotics is the future.
At SRI, we are experimenting with a mobile robot.
I'll be back.
Focus on training your engineers. Get your hands dirty first,